I'm Andy Armstrong, 3M application engineer, authorized trainer, and your go-to for all things 3M wrap film.
In this video, we're going to share some handy tips and tricks for wrapping hoods with 3M Wrap Film Series 2080. Start by tacking the film along any high points on the hood. Then use heat to stretch and flatten the material over the rest of the hood. Warm up the material and use the palm of your hand to push down into any recesses. Squeegee the remaining material flat with firm pressure to make sure it sticks well. For the top corners of the hood, pre-stretch the film. Place the material over the corner and heat it. When you reheat the material, it will shrink back to its original size, perfectly tucking the material under the body panel. As a first in the industry, the clear protective film layer on 3M Wrap Film Series 2080 can stay on for any installation. It conforms with the wrap film, and any scratches on the clear liner will not transfer to the film, giving you a flawless finish. After you remove the clear protective film layer, make sure to post-heat all edges of the film to prevent any future lifting.